So open the image in your favorite editing software. There are free online ones. I'm just going to crop this now, making sure I get the ruler in. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Now I'm going to try and remove the background. So in my one, what I do, I duplicate the background layer, hide it, use the magic wand, turn up the tolerance here, and it should do a good job because I selected a good background. So now I'm going to delete that, okay, and that's going to help us later. Just going to draw a box around the ruler because I don't need all the ruler, and that's that. And now I'm going to save that image, and we're going to import that into LightBurn. But before we do that, I'm just going to save it, convert to black and white. So all I'm trying to do is get a better contrast between the bare and the black line. So I'm just going to play with the sliders, see if these work. I'm only doing this because it might help us in LightBurn. That might help us when it's tracing the image, that might help us. Okay, I'm going to try the black and white one first because I've got a feeling that it's going to work better. So as you can see, the image is massive compared to the workbed area because that is about 400 squares. So all I'm going to do is draw an image from the beginning of the bear to the end of the bear. So when we zoom in here, my ruler is 0.5 millimeter off from the end of the bear here. So whatever I measure here, so if I look here, the bear is 156. So I'm going to take off 0.5 millimeter. So I'm going to write that down as 155.5 is the width of the bear. Now that line is 458. So all we need to do now is scale this by doing some maths. So we're going to do 155.5, which is the measured photograph distance on the ruler, divided by 458 equals 0.3395, times that by 100. So I need to scale the image 33.952%. So I'm going to click on the image with the padlock locked. I'm going to go here and add in 33.952. Because it's locked, press tab and it will scale it down. Trace image. Let's accept that. And because that is under the image, let's see if we can just draw very roughly around the bears. If we zoom in, across to there, and that's that. So I'm hoping now that if we drag that out the way, look at that. So that is a good representation of the bears. So that's given us something now that we can clean up. So that gives us a guide of where to engrave. So if we select the outline, that should be selected. So all you got to do now is write some names. select what font you want, so whatever font you've got on your computer, doesn't really matter. Then you can click on it, you can drag it, you can rotate it, zoom in, do another text. Get the idea. You can keep going around position. Right, let's put it on the blue layer. Okay, so we can turn that off. You can turn that off. So now what you can do, you can engrave this outline on a piece of card. So, you know, if you put a piece of card in your laser, just stick it down to your honeycomb bed so it doesn't move, engrave that outline, and then you know where the bears are. So if you now, let's put these on green, the names, and if you've done the name here, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 names. Because you've engraved the outline on your piece of card, the laser knows where that is. So put your bare wooden models lining up with that outline, and it should match up identically because we scaled that image to match. Then you would turn off the blue layer, and then you would set your speeds and feeds to engrave. If we don't want it on line, we would probably have it on fill. And then if we previewed that, you would only see the names. If you wanted just to check, you could turn on the outline and preview. Right, that is because this is not closed. So we can pop a line there and then put that on the blue layer, and that should have closed it. I don't want that on fill anyway, I want that on line. So there, you would have this engraved on your piece of cardboard, and this is showing you where the names are going to appear. But when you engrave these, you want the outline turned off because you've already done that. That was just to show you what it's going to look like. So your bears are here, your names are going to go there. When you actually come to burn the names on, turn off the outline because the outline's already on your card. You put your bears on there, set your focus on top of the bears to whatever your distance works at, and that's how you do it. Let me know how it works out for you, and please post a photo on the fantastic Facebook group that we are belonging to. Link in on the screen now and link in the description. If you've got a diode laser, in particular a longer RAY5 laser, the group is fantastic, it's very active. The moderators and admin keep on top of the spam. The members are very good at reporting any spam that we do miss. Anyway, take a look and I'll see you in Facebook. That's Andy saying, let's go and make some happy smoke together. Thanks for making it to the end of my videos. If I've earned your respect and your trust, perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel. It really does make a massive difference. And maybe you would like to watch some of the videos popping up on the screen now. Let me know what you think. Cheers for now.